Hello guys, I'm back again. Today I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL in your machine, regardless of whatever operating system you are using. Because today I'm going to use Docker to install PostgreSQL. Okay, let's get started. First, let me check first if I have some existing Postgre in my system. Docker p images. Okay, so currently I haven't downloaded the image yet. Okay, so let me install the PostgreSQL. Some people they call it Postgres. Okay, so basically this is the command to install the Postgre. Anyway, if you don't have Docker, you can download it from Docker Hub website. Okay, so the command is Docker. Then of course you can pull the image, or you can run it, because automatically Docker is smart enough to download the image if it is not existing in your local. So you must know the image name, which is Postgre. So currently I don't have Postgre in my machine, right? So this Postgre image will be downloaded from Docker Hub website. Okay, so I specify, as you can see, I specify also a volume parameter here, because I want the data to be saved in this path. Okay, in this directory. Okay, so this directory must be existing in your local machine. Okay, then the password, you can put whatever password you have, whatever password you want to use. Okay, you can put here. Then the name of the image, you can put anything you want. In my case, I put PostgreSQL to make it descriptive, right? Then the port mapping, this is important. If you don't specify this port mapping, you cannot access. Even you installed it successfully in your Docker container, still you cannot access. So you must do some port mapping like this. Okay, so that's all. Then run. See, as you can see, unable to find image locally, right? So Docker is smart enough to download it. Okay, then after downloading it completely, that's the time it will run the instance of PostgreSQL server. Okay, then after completing the installation of the PostgreSQL, we want to test it, right? But first, let me check first the status, whether it's up and running. Docker ps. Okay, as you can see, that Postgre is, the status is up. Okay, so now since it's up already, we can connect to this server. We need a database client. In my case, I use dbbeaver to test whether we can connect to this Postgre server or not. Okay, so let me open my dbeaver application. Actually, this tool can be downloaded. Actually, the one I have is a community version. This one you can download from dbeaver website. It's free. Okay, so let me use this tool to connect to the server Postgre. Okay, so by default, Postgre has it creates a Postgre database. So by default, so we don't need to create one. But if we need, based on our requirement, of course we can create our own, right? But for the demo purpose, I will not create a database. Okay, I will just show you how to connect to the PostgreSQL server. Okay, so now we specify the username. The default is Postgre. We don't need to change that. Then the password, as you can see, we specify the password here, number 9. Okay, so we need to use that to log in. Okay, number 9. Okay, then let me test if we can connect. There we go. See, can connect successfully, right? So let me go inside and see. I browse the database and schemas. Okay, so this is our Postgre. Okay, these are the default database. Let me browse the schema. The tables, of course, is empty because we haven't created yet. Okay, I think that's all, guys. So it's easy, right? So see you next time and happy learning. Bye bye.